Okay, we're back in. Been a long time since I posted a video. Currently taking out the centre console for taking out the gearbox. Basically a few screws, and then you take out. Oh, excuse me. You take out this, unfortunately, due to the light, you can't really see it very well. This is the gear stick. 3 bolts there. One there, one around the corner here, 1, 2 there. You just pop those off, pop 3 out there, gear stick comes out. Pretty simple, you just pull the centre console. I took the ashtray out because it's just easier to get to this little clip at the back here. This little clip's a little bit of a nightmare. Just 2 things holding, just stick a little screwdriver or something down the inside and it'll come off the threads. But once that's off, just make sure you put something down there to cover it up. I'm just going to put a bit of tissue because it's about, unfortunately, I haven't got all my tools while I'm doing this, so this is going to be just to stuff a bit of tissue in there to make sure I don't get any debris falling in there while I'm doing stuff. So yeah, it's a simple start. Take the centre console out, obviously disconnect your battery and everything else first. First part, centre out. It's what, 7 bolts, and then you can take the gear stick out and then ready to jack the car up and do the rest of it.